Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will build one Python project which is a very simple project, but yet it's an efficient tool which is nothing but an image background removal tool. So yeah, let me show you like what it will do, and then we will build this tool from scratch. Let me run the file and I will show you what it will do. So I'm going to run that script, and first it will ask me for that image which I want to remove background from that image. So for now I'm selecting Tim Cook image, and then it will ask where I have to save the file after removing that background. So yeah, I will save it here itself. And yeah, it has done processing. So you can see there is a one more file created here with a name what I have given in that previous dialog box, Tim Cook no background. Like, so if I open it, so this is what the tool has generated for us. So we have used this particular image as our source, and our program processed it and returned an image without a background in it. So yeah, it's a cool tool, right? Yeah, let's build this from scratch. So without further delay, let me go to the file and remove everything. So to do this, processing and all the things, we need a help of two important packages. First one is the REMBG, which is remove background package, and other one is the pillow package for image processing. So I hope you know how to install dependencies. So if you don't know, you open your terminal and just run pip install uh, REMBG. So this will install the remove background package for you. I have already installed it. So if even if I run it now, it will just simply show me that requirement already satisfied. So before you have to start writing the code, you just have to install these dependencies in your machine. And then the other tool that you have to install is pillow, so which is for image processing. So I think, yeah, that's also I have already installed that pillow packages as well. That's why it is returning me requirement already satisfied. Yeah, cool. So we have that necessary packages, so let's start building the tool. So which is just 8 lines of code, very simple, so you can easily build it. So what we are going to do is, like, we are going to use the packages which we installed, and from that package I'm going to use the remove method, and then I'm going to use the pillow, and from that I'm going to use image, and then what I'm going to do is, like, I'm going to define the input file path. So for now I will use the manual path. So once we complete the initial coding, I will show you how you can go for a dialog box which will give you an option to select any file from that box. So for now I'm going to define the path here with, I have a image file here, and I'm going to use that file name. And then I'm going to define the output path. So output path, I will give the file name here as well. The file has to be in PNG format. And now what we're going to do is, like, we have to create one variable image file and use the image, and we have to use the open method, and then I'm going to pass the input path to that method. And then uh, you know So we have our image right now. What we have to do is like we have to remove our background. So for that, what I'm going to use is like I'm going to define one variable output, and then I'm going to use the remove method, and by passing that image file. So this will remove the background with the help of that REMBG, which uses the AI to remove the background from that image. So, and finally we will save our output to output path, so which will create a file for us. So yeah, that's it. We have only have 9 lines of code. Even if we remove that unnecessary lines, then we will have only 7 lines of code, so which is simple, really simple, right? So let me run it and I will show you what it is doing, and then it will be easier for you to understand. And yeah, so this will do the processing. And yeah, it has created a image for us, right? Which is the Elon Musk no background image. Yeah, it has created an image for us without any background. So the initial source is like this, cool picture of Elon Musk, and after processing it has removed all the backgrounds, and removed the entire background. So yeah, that's it. And let's jump, and what we are going to do is like, for now we are defining the path in our code, right? I mean, we are giving the file name, also the file path. So right now it's not giving any flexibility to choose any other images. So we are going to do, what we are going to do is like we are going to use the help of ECGUI, so which will create a dialog, show a dialog box for us, where we are going to select that image, and then also we are going to show another dialog box where we can give the file name, output file name on the runtime itself. So for that, what we are going to do is like we are going to use the help of ECGUI. And so far, for before you need, if you want to use the ECGUI, you have to install it first. So for that, what you're going to do is like you have to open the terminal and run this command: pip install ECGUI. I have already installed this package, so that's why I'm getting a message like requirement already satisfied. So instead of giving the file name here, what I'm going to do is like I'm going to use the ECGUI, and there is a method file open box, and with a message like select image file. And then for instead of defining the output path here, what we are going to do is like we are again going to use the ECGUI, and with the method file save box, and with the message like save file to, like this. And yeah, that's it. We have made our change. Now let's run it and see what it will do. So let me run the script. So yeah, now this time what it is doing, like it is asking me for an image in the runtime itself by opening a dialog box. So this time let me look for any other image, and then I think I don't have any. So let me go back and select this image itself. But yeah, it will ask for the save file to, right? I already have removed the background and save it here. Instead of saving it to this desktop project, let me save it in the desktop itself, and I have to give a file name. So for now I'm just giving image.png, and I have saved it. Yeah, the program has run. Let me go to desktop. Yeah, I can see an image here, which is the image of Elon Musk without any background. Cool, right? It has we have built a tool which is removing an background from an image, and using this tool you can you used to remove any backgrounds from your images and anything. Yeah, that's it, and I hope this video really helpful. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe. And yeah, that's it. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.